Welcome to Investing with Danielle. I decided to check my portfolio balance, and I noticed that the current portfolio balance is around $4,980. The portfolio is again under $5,000. The cost basis right now is around $5,482. You can look and see what stocks and mutual funds and bonds I have. At the very top, you can see I have FTRNX, which is Fidelity Trend Fund. You all excuse me, I may have to turn the volume up so you can hear the sound because it is early in the morning and I'm trying not to disturb people. After that, I have 21st Century Fox, which is a 7.9% corporate bond, and you can see the balance over there. Let me start off with FTRNX. It is around $1,100, and 21st Century Fox is around $1,100. Citigroup Inc., which is a 6.675% corporate bond, is around $1,000. These are all the balances. For NVIDIA, remember that I had sold quite a bit of NVIDIA. I sold the cost basis, so this is all basically money from profit, and it's valued at around $600. Next, we have Target, which is valued at around $100. After that, we have 3M, that is valued at around $100. And we have Moderna, which is valued at around $100. Next, we have Kroger, which is valued at around $100. And after that, we get into the stocks that are valued under $100. We have Discovery Financial Services, that's under $100. We have, on the mutual funds, we have FXAIX, which is valued at under $100. We have Starbucks, which is valued under $100. And then we'll get down to some that are in the 50s and 40s. U-Haul is valued at around $57. Prosus, around $56. FSRNX, that's a mutual fund, valued around $50. Mondelez, that is a company that sells snacks and such things, is valued at slightly under $50. They actually have some other things. It just happens to be that a snack that I eat, I checked the label and I noticed that was a company. LPL is around $36. Then we get to Citigroup, that's around $11. FSLBX is valued at around $9.55. ING at around $7. Sherwin-Williams at around $6. And let's look at the mutual funds for the comparisons. We have KOF, which is Coca-Cola FEMSA, at around $4. The three stocks that I was kind of comparing, the FBR, that's FBGRX. Is that that's the dividend growth. It's currently at $4.46. And then after that, we have the contraband is $4.43. We have the FFFHX and the FDKLX. Those are both the target funds. So those are at $4.12 and $4.11 respectively. So right now it looks like the dividend growth fund, the FBGRX, is valued as the highest value. I went and bought Well Tower, that's valued at around $4. I bought some GlaxoSmithKline, that's valued at about $3. And then I have some other stocks that I purchased. You can see Apple, Visa, MasterCard, Exxon, and Chevron. They're all valued basically under $2. So this is a stock that I recently purchased, Mondelez International. And here's a summary. This is on the Fidelity platform. Through its subsidiaries, manufactures, markets, and sells snack food and beverage products in the Latin America, North America, Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and Europe. It provides biscuits and baked snacks, including cookies, crackers, salted snacks, snack bars and cakes, pastries, chocolates, and gums and candies, as well as various cheese and grocery and powdered beverage products. The company's brand portfolio includes Oreo, Ritz, LU, Cliff Bar, Tate's Bake Shop, and baked snacks, as well as Cadbury Dairy Milk, Milka, and Toblerone chocolate. Here is information on process. I had mentioned in some videos in the past that I'm working on getting more international exposure. So I just talked about the previous video, Mondelez. This is another company called Process. Process engages in e-commerce and internet business. The company operates internet platforms such as classifieds, payments, and fintech, food delivery, education technology, e-tail, health, ventures, social, and other internet platforms. It has operations in Latin America and North America, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, Asia, and internationally. The company was formerly known as Marriott International Holdings NV and changed its name to Process NV August 2019. Was incorporated in 1994 and is headquartered in Amsterdam, the Netherlands. Process NV is a subsidiary of Naspers Limited. Wellstar Inc., a real estate investment trust, REIT, an S&P 500 company headquartered in Toledo, Ohio, is the driving transformation of healthcare infrastructure. Welltower invests with leading seniors housing operators, post-acute providers, and health systems to fund real estate infrastructure needed to scale innovative care delivery models and improve people's wellness and overall healthcare experience. Keeping with the theme of international, ING Group is one more stock that I've invested in. ING Group, NV, a financial institution, provides various banking products and services in the Netherlands, Belgium, Germany, Poland, rest of Europe, North America, Latin America, Asia, and Australia. It operates 6 segments. The company accepts various deposits such as current and savings account and offers business lending products and other consumer lending products such as residential mortgage loans, term loans, and revolver and personal loans. It also provides debt capital market. I'm going to finish up by looking at my performance benchmark. I haven't had the stocks for 3 years yet. I haven't had my portfolio for 3 years yet. So let's go back to 1 year. My 1 year return is 24.74%, and the S&P 500 is 13.02. So you can see that my 1 year return is greater than the standard S&P 500.